after a power-packed first day, which saw Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal hold a fiery media briefing and then a mega roadshow where he launched scathing attacks at the Prime Minister and the BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party national convener is now meeting all AAP MLAs at his residence in Civil Lines. In this meet, he's chalking out the next steps for the party and finalizing the campaign strategy. In his first address in 51 days, Kejriwal accused Prime Minister Modi of wanting to decimate the AAP and alleged that all top opposition leaders, including Chief Ministers Mamata Banerjee, M.K. Stalin and Pinarayi Vijayan, and leaders like Tejasvi Yadav will all be put in jail if the BJP is voted to power again.
एक बेहद खतरनाक मिशन चालू किया हुआ है प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, बहुत ही खतरनाक। देशवासियों को यह समझने की, अब जब मैं बोलने जा रहा हूं, समझने की जरूरत है। उस मिशन का नाम है वन नेशन वन लीडर। देश के सारे नेताओं को खत्म करना चाहते हैं मोदी जी, और इसको दो स्तर के ऊपर इस मिशन को चला रहे हैं। जितने विपक्ष के नेता हैं उनको जेल भेजेंगे और जितने बीजेपी के नेता हैं उनको सबको निपटा देंगे, उनकी राजनीति खत्म करते जाएंगे, उनको सबको निपटाते जाएंगे। विपक्ष के अंदर आज इन्होंने मनीष सिसोदिया को जेल भेज दिया, संजय सिंह को जेल भेज दिया, सत्येंद्र जैन को जेल भेज दिया, केजरीवाल को जेल भेज दिया, हेमंत सोरेन को जेल भेज दिया, ममता दीदी के कई मंत्रियों को जेल भेज दिया, स्टालिन के कई मंत्रियों को जेल भेज दिया, केरला के सीएम के पीछे पड़े हैं। अगर ये चुनाव जीत गए, मेरे से लिखवा लो एफिडेविट के ऊपर, थोड़े दिन के बाद ममता दीदी जेल में होंगी, तेजस्वी यादव जेल में होगा, स्टालिन साहब जेल के अंदर होंगे, पिनरई विजयन जेल के अंदर होंगे, उद्धव ठाकरे जेल के अंदर होंगे, जितने विपक्ष के नेता ये सारे जेल के अंदर होंगे।
Let me go across to my colleague Tejashree, who has, of course, continuously been reporting on this development for us. Tejashree, as far as we speak about, of course, Kejriwal's reaction, there is no stopping him, considering this is coming out of the fact that what we've seen for the past couple of weeks with him being behind bars. But having said that, extremely crucial meet. We understand all AAP MLAs have gathered here. This is also a big strategy while we see the interim relief in the bigger, campaign of the polls, that is.
Yes, and in fact, I'm reporting just outside CM's residence where several MLAs over here have just stepped out of the meeting. And in fact, Arvind Kejriwal, while speaking to these MLAs, have clearly mentioned that, no matter what, I was in jail, the party has strengthened in that particular period of time. And there you can see on your TV screens, Atishi also was the part of the meeting, seems like. But then again, back to what happened, what happened inside, what transpired inside that particular meeting, which was underway, which was held around for 60 minutes. Most of the MLAs, Delhi MLAs, were part of this particular meeting. And in fact, in this particular meeting, Kejriwal had sent a message to all the MLAs that the focus should be solely on the development of Delhi, say it be the model of education, say it be the model of health, on which Aam Aadmi Party has been always batting upon. And in fact, he also said that he is aware of the fact that not only once but several times BJP must have approached the MLAs, but these all MLAs who were in the meeting remained with Aam Aadmi Party. They did not change their votes, and in fact he also said that there will be a time when he will have to go back to the jail, but the momentum should remain the same of the Karyakartas on the ground, because remember that just after Lok Sabha elections, Delhi witnesses Lok Sabha elections. In few months from now, Delhi is also set to witness the state assembly elections as well. So yes, all in all, it is a very important meeting, and also important to notice that tomorrow today after tomorrow's press conference, one more press conference is all set to take place at 1 p.m. where Kejriwal will be speaking to media, and this is certainly the second official press conference of Kejriwal. We'll have to see that what kind of issues are raised in this particular press briefing. Back to you.
Right, Tejashree, as you point that out, in fact, let's also quickly tell our viewers, since you are continuously been reporting on this, Firaz, and took us to the takeaway of this crucial meet. With the fact that politically speaking, how do you see this pan out now? Because considering this is a strategy for the polls, this is that interim relief that the Chief Minister of Delhi has got. And now, do you think it will have bigger political implications on ground? All right, we'll try connecting with Tejashi to give us a quick overall sense of how this strategy, of course, may or may not work in their favor for the polls. Remember, Delhi also goes into voting in the next couple of weeks, May 25th, in fact. So it will be interesting to see what their strategy would be in terms of this. Now, with the fact that Arvind Kejriwal is out on interim bail, that is. Now, this was keeping in view of the mind that his legal counsel had stated that they were looking for that interim relief, considering that he had to campaign for the big polls. And now there's a critical meet that was called for at the Chief Minister's residence. Tejashi, essentially what I was, asking is in terms of the fact that this interim relief has come with the fact that they wanted to go ahead of the strategy of the polls. What are you picking up in terms of the mood on the ground and the political implications of the same?
Well, you see, now Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party is in a mood to rejuvenate its party, or in fact to reboost their confidence, because you see, it was Sunita Kejriwal who was acting as a representative for Arvind Kejriwal. She was holding the rallies, she was addressing the India Bloc rallies on his behalf, say it be in Ram Leela Maidan or say it be in the Jharkhand that was held. And now, since Arvind Kejriwal has come out, you see, all the cadre and organizational support has in fact now got some sort of confidence in them, because you see, all in all, back to back they were back to back. The leaders of Aam Aadmi Party were put behind the bars. The cases were lodged against them. So yes, it was a massive setback. After Sanjay Singh, it was Arvind Kejriwal. But yes, then again, Sanjay Singh came out, Arvind Kejriwal came out. So it is it will be certainly increasing the confidence of Karyakartas also on ground and during the polls as well. Because
Tejashi, I'd have to interject you there. We do understand a political reaction of Saurabh Bharadwaj, I believe, is coming. Let's listen into him.
और ये कयास लगाए जा रहे थे कि अब सरकार गिरेगी और आम आदमी पार्टी टूट जाएगी। तो मुख्यमंत्री जी ने और विधायकों ने ये कहा कि जब बुरा समय होता है और बुरे समय के अंदर जो लोग साथ रहते हैं वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है। अच्छे समय में तो सब लोग रहते हैं। उसी दौरान कई विधायकों ने बात बोली, ऐसी बात बोली जिसको सुन के बहुत सारे लोग भावुक भी हो गए। संजय जी ने भी एक बात बोली, उन्होंने कहा कि जो मेरी पूरी की पूरी बेल की प्रोसीडिंग हुई उसमें क्या बहस होगी, कौन वकील होगा, क्या लीगल स्ट्रेटेजी होगी, उनको 5% भी नहीं पालू। सब चीजें मुख्यमंत्री जी कह रहे थे कि ऐसा करो संजय, ऐसा करो, ये वकील जाएगा, वो कर जाएगा, और सब कुछ उस दौरान मुख्यमंत्री जी ने मैनेज किया। और 6 महीने वो जेल में रहे, मगर मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उनके परिवार को उनकी कमी महसूस नहीं होने दी। और ये कहते कहते वो भावुक भी हो गए, मुख्यमंत्री भी भावुक हो गए इस बात को सुन के। तो मुझे लगता है कि एक पारिवारिक माहौल के अंदर मीटिंग हुई, जिसके अंदर इस तरह से बात हुई कि जैसे एक परिवार एकजुट रहता है, और एक परिवार का मुखिया अगर ना रहे उनके साथ तो परिवार में झगड़े शुरू हो जाते हैं भाइयों में। मगर इस समय जब कुछ दिन अरविंद जी नहीं थे और बड़े नेता नहीं थे, ये परिवार टूटा नहीं, इसमें झगड़े नहीं हुए, इसके अंदर एक दूसरे की खिंचाई नहीं हुई, बल्कि और लोग मजबूती से, एकता से आगे बढ़े। और पूरे देश का नैरेटिव जो है, केजरीवाल जी की गिरफ्तारी के बाद पूरे देश के चुनाव का नैरेटिव बदल गया। ये ज्यादा चर्चा हुई।
सीएम ने कोई संदेश भी दिया है, कोई मैसेज भी दिया है?
देखिए, सीएम सर ने ये कहा कि मैं इस बात से वाकिफ हूँ, अपने विधायकों को कहा कि जब मैं जेल में था तो कई विधायकों के ऊपर कई तरीके से दबाव डाले गए, मगर उन दबावों के बावजूद भी वो लोग आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ खड़े रहे। ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। वो कहते थे कि ये सब सूचनाएं मुझको आती थी, मगर आप सब लोग मेरे साथ रहे, इस पार्टी के साथ रहे। इसके लिए मुख्यमंत्री जी ने सारे विधायकों को जो है अपनी तरफ से धन्यवाद।